Hi friends! Today I want to join you to make some clothes for our friends Twiggy and Larry and Rainy and all of the puppets that we had fun with today. Now clothes are for many different things. Clothes can keep you warm and toasty, or clothes can be used to show your personality and show what you like. Twiggy, as you can see, likes the color red. So for Twiggy's outfit today, I'm going to use the color red. And I think maybe I might use some feathers or some pipe cleaners or some pom-poms. But you can use anything you like for your friends. For my other friend, Rainy, I'm going to use probably some paper and I'm going to draw something. And then I'm either going to cut it out or I'm going to rip it out. So the items I brought to make my puppets' clothes, I brought some scissors, some tape, some glue, some Velcro. I used feathers, cloth, paper. Now I'm going to take my puppet's clothes and finish coloring it in. This is for Rainy. I finished coloring it in and then I cut it out on all sides, but you could rip it if you'd like. And later I rolled up a piece of tape and I folded his top of his clothes. It made actually a diamond shape. And then I just stuck it onto underneath his chin. For Twiggy, I decided to make a jacket. I took a red piece of cloth and then I put the glue on first. Glued it all down. And then I took a feather, a nice yellow feather, and I took several pom-poms. If you want to count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Glued that all down. And then to close his jacket, I used Velcro. But you, if you want to make a jacket like this, you could use anything. You could use tape or you could use a pipe cleaner and put it all the way around. Anything. I know you guys have plenty of great ideas, so I can't wait to see them.
Hi everyone! So last week we made our own puppets together, and this week we're going to be making some clothes for them. So I know you just got some materials in your art kit, and I'm going to be using some of my materials from my art kit. So we named Piper last week. This is my little paper puppet. And then I also have Freddy the Frog. So we're going to see what kind of clothes we can make for them. And so in front of me, I just have some fabric pieces. And these were everything was in your art kit. So I have some fabric pieces, some pipe cleaners, some buttons, and a little baggie of pom-poms. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to use some glue. And let's see what we can come up with. Here's Piper's clothes, and I just used this little piece of fabric that was in my art kit. I glued it onto her body, then put some buttons, and then twisted a little belt around that. And that's my clothes for Piper. Let's see what we can do for the frog. So here's Freddy the frog, and we didn't make him clothes because we're not sure if they'll get wet in the water when he's swimming. So we made Freddy a hat, and we used some fabric and we decorated it with some pom-poms and then stuck a feather in it. So we are gonna create some clothes for our puppets in our meeting, and it can be whatever you'd like. You can even draw out the clothes, rip them or cut them out, and then put them on your puppet. So it's just whatever you'd like. And we can't wait to see you at our meeting. Bye!